So today I'm just doing my eye makeup with you guys and you're gonna watch me do it. What up peeps? Welcome to my second YouTube video. Today we're gonna start a little bit from the basics because I honestly I started YouTube but I don't really know what I want to deliver, okay? So I'm just like gonna start with like basic stuff. Today we're gonna discuss and use my go-to, also one of my favorite palettes. I've used this palette for a few years now. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and for someone like me who's I'm not much of a runner, I would say, but I'm usually running late and just like I need something quick and easy to carry. So when I'm traveling and that, I can't be asked to carry an entire makeup kit, you know? It's just like you put one palette in, one foundation, one concealer, one lipstick that you use it, blusher, and pretty much done. And like a powder and that, you know, like the basic things. But anyway, so this palette, I mean, it's not that new, honestly, so a bunch of you might already use it or know of it, or have heard of it or whatever, seen reviews of it, la 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 la. Endless makeup on the internet now, isn't it? So this is it's not focus because this camera is pretty cool with the focus, yeah. And you see it's got like really nice shades. It's got basically almost enough to do multiple looks with, so it's not like a palette that is just like specific that, oh, this is like you can only use for smoky, or you know, like a palette that is more nudes and browns, or a palette that just has a shit ton of colors. This has like a mix of everything, okay? So it pretty much does it, especially for someone like me who's not putting heavy makeup on a daily basis or often at all. So for me it really works. I just take like a little bit. It's got great pigmentation and it's got great staying, like it doesn't crease or come off, of course, if you apply it well, and doesn't really fall out much, so it works in all ways. Cool. So you see I've done the rest of my face, but I do look kind of stupid without anything on my eyes. So we're gonna start flat brush, and I usually use Blaze here, if you can see. Okay, it's my most used thing. I use this even if I don't do my eye makeup, and I just use this for my under eyebrow highlighting, for that. And yeah, then I start with my first shade. Now my first shade could be anything, but I usually call it the transition shade only because that kind of, I don't know why I call it that. I mean, it's just a thing, right? You just transition it out. So I usually use RIFF for most of the makeups that I do. If I wanted to look actually more pink, I would use Still Hot, which is like kind of like a light baby pink. I'm really sorry about the lighting and everything. I'm still getting used to all of this. I'm just like trying different stuff out. Also, I feel like what I wear, so like if I wear like black, it's a process. So if I wear black or something, or if I wear white, or if I wear blue, the light shows my face different color. Colors are a trip. Anyway, let's get back to the makeup. But either way, I apologize if the lighting is not good, or you know, you think I need to do better with that. I am working on it, guys. Give me time. Okay, so we're gonna start with RIFF. It's like this sandy brown shade. I always I always like to dust my eyeshadow off before I apply it. It's just out of habit because a lot of times palettes can have a lot of fallout and they're too powdery. So it just became a habit because of that, but not all palettes require it. Don't waste your product if it's not needed. Okay, let's do like a burnt orange. So I'm gonna go in with this one. It's called Baja. It's a funny one. It's not like a bright orange, but it is orange in the way I see colors. You do realize that we all see colors different, right? And then just go. Do you want me to come closer to the camera? Am I in focus? It's always like, why is people doing makeup on themselves only, you know? Because like being a pro artist, you kind of have like this thing about like, oh, people who are just doing makeup on themselves are not makeup artists. but it's hard. It's really hard. Okay, I've added orange, and now to make it look more burnt, we're gonna go in with the brown. So there's two browns here. One is Good Is Gone, and then there's one which is called Punk. And the Good Is Gone is dark, but it's like a brown, more like the ones you see, like woody. Whereas Punk is more chocolatey and Good Is Gone is more shimmery. So if I want more matte, then I go in with Punk. But I'm going to use another brush because this is a dark shade, and if I want to use the orange again, it'll be mixed with brown. So I'm applying the Punk on my like more inside bits on the crease area, and then I'm just going to use this other brush to blend the orange and the brown. I'm just going to go in with a little bit orange in my crease here. Okay, now I'm just going to take Ignite with my finger because it comes out best when you apply with your finger. And I'm just gonna go into my inner corners to the center of my eye, and I'm gonna blend that out with the brown. The issue with me is I'm too spontaneous. It's like if I feel like I'm doing something, I have to do it instantly. So if I feel like making the video, I need to do it now, even if I don't have everything ready, you know, or like perfect or like super high quality. It's like what I feel from inside, it just needs to be done. Okay, so I've got oops and then I'm gonna go with the brown on top of the orange, same Punk. That was quick, easy, doesn't take long at all. Now if you're a liner person, you can add your liners and everything. If you're I went down a bit, right? Yeah, so an eyeliner person, then you can use your eyeliners. If you're not an eyeliner person, you can just go on top with doing your mascara. I'm not sure if I'm feeling eyeliner today, although I do wear eyeliner almost every time I put makeup on, but today I feel like I could skip that, so I'm just gonna go in with my mascara. I've been using this Benefits Bad Gal Bang mascara. I use a lot of different mascaras actually, and I can't deny there's a lot of good mascaras out there, like a lot. So that is the look. Maybe I should just close my eyes. Not much, pretty easy, really quick. That's why I love this palette, is because I don't have that much patience to spend too much time doing complicated stuff on myself. So that's why I need something that works well, easy to use, gives me pretty looks. So let me know if you want me to do like a 2.0 or 3.0 of using this palette and creating something else. Along with that, if you did enjoy this video, if it helped you at all, even a little bit, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys soon.